How to make money online by ChatGPT. There are a number of ways to make money using GPT, a text-generating language model developed by OpenAI. Here are a few ideas. How you can generate some passive income with this ChatGPT, and how you can do it for free. And we are going to take you through everything step by step. It doesn't matter. You are a student, teacher, blogger, YouTube, writer, designer, or developer. And we will take you through the basics of ChatGPT so you understand exactly how this works. And more importantly, I'm going to show you how to earn money with ChatGPT. We can use this for lots of different things. Now this is completely free for you to use. So during the research preview, usage of ChatGPT is free. So I'm not sure if that means they might bring out some plans later, but now you can try this for free. Before going ahead, make sure to subscribe the channel and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Content creation. GPT can be used to generate high-quality, unique content for websites and blogs. You can use the model to write articles, product descriptions, and other types of content that can be sold or used to drive traffic to your website. Copywriting. GPT can be used to generate persuasive sales copy for websites and marketing materials. You can use the model to write product descriptions, email subject lines, and other types of copy that are designed to convert readers into customers. Chatbots. GPT can be used to train chatbots that can answer customer questions and provide support for businesses. You can use the model to create chatbots for customer service, e-commerce, or other types of applications. Sell the chatbot. You can create a chatbot using GPT and sell it to businesses or individuals who are interested in using it. Social media management. GPT can be used to generate social media posts, captions, and engage with audience. You can use the model to create social media posts for clients and can charge for the services. Virtual writing assistant. GPT can be used to generate content for emails, reports, and other written documents. You can offer your service as a virtual writing assistant to individuals or businesses and charge for your services. Affiliate marketing is the best way to make money because it is one of the easiest online businesses to start. Affiliate marketing is a way to make money by selling other people's products. You make a sale when someone clicks on your affiliate link and buys the product. The commissions are already set, so people can see how much they will get in commissions on the affiliate platforms. Affiliates can use chat to promote products in any way they want. As a freelancer, you can make money with chat. Freelancers might wonder if this ad bot will take their jobs. Actually, the answer is no. If they use chat well, they will make more money than they have ever made because they will be able to make and send content to customers quickly. Freelancers on sites like Fiverr, Upwork, and other popular sites write their own content. This doesn't have to be the case though, because chat can do the hard work for them and make their job easier. So earn and grow using free iTool ChatGPT. That's all for today. Hope you liked the video. See you in next video.